Taekwondo training is repetitive and boring. To be honest, not something I've heard many people tell me over the years. I try at Creative Ways Taekwondo to make the lesson plans as creative as possible, to try and ensure that there's always something different to approach whatever it is that we're teaching. I do understand that sometimes certain techniques over time can be a bit repetitive, but if someone is finding a training boring, then in all honesty, maybe Taekwondo or the club that they're in isn't for them. There's so much that can be covered in a lesson or seminar for Taekwondo. I can't see how someone would overall be bored with Taekwondo. To learn something, you need to practice. To become good at something, you have to practice it a lot. I think they say once you perform a new technique, it takes 1,000 quality repetitions before you don't need to think about it. So if you don't switch up your training, you might start getting bored of regimentally practicing the same technique. I get that. I don't feel Taekwondo though is boring or repetitive. There's so many facets and techniques to practice, learn and master. I can't see how it would get boring. I believe that finding ways to keep the training engaging and exciting is crucial in any martial art. Introducing new drills, sparring variations and incorporating different training equipment can help break up the monotony, easy for me to say, the monotony and make the training more enjoyable. Additionally, setting personal goals and constantly challenging yourself can make the training experience more fulfilling and prevent boredom. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.